Hello everyone. So today we are going to make morning alarm circuit. So this is our buzzer, positive side, negative side. We will put this on the breadboard like this. This is our 100 ohm resistor. Resistor should be connected on the negative side of the buzzer. Positive side, negative side of the LED. The positive side of the LED should be connected with the positive side of the buzzer like this. LDR, we will connect our LDR with the resistors like so. Let's took a on off switch and connect it with the connector of the battery. Connect it tightly so this will not get loose. From both sides we will connect it. Now connect our connector with the 9 voltage battery. Now took wires and connect them with the right sides of the circuit like this. Now on the switch and you can see that our LED is glowing in the dark, and as we flash on the LDR, our LED will turn off and buzzer is sounding.